Hey guys, welcome back to Harrison's Automotive. I know it's been a long time since we've done a video, but I have an interesting car here for you and a really great example of why you don't trust a code reader. This vehicle has a really interesting condition. It'll run okay under load as long as it's below about 3,000 RPMs, but every time it hits a hill, it wants to just fall on its face. I started up the bank yesterday with it, got up to 45 at the bottom of the hill. By the time I crested the top of the hill, at 3,500 RPMs, this car was only running 30 miles an hour. It just falls on its face, won't go. The code for it is a P0101. It's a mass airflow circuit low code. It suggests that there's a bad ground, there's a bad this, a bad that with the mass airflow. I took a lab scope, I tested all that, everything comes back fine. There's no vacuum leaks across the entire vehicle. So I took it for another drive, and I thought I heard something interesting. So I took and unhooked the O2 sensor, tied in a back pressure gauge. We're going to take a look at that now, and I'll show you why you never trust a code reader. As you can see, at idle, we're running about 2 pounds of back pressure. That's still in the green, but it's not good. Now we're going to rev it up to about 2,500. Just at 2,500, we're well into the red and way over. And what I forgot to mention, it's an 09 Nissan Sentra with a 2.0 in it. That's definitely a weird case study, but a really great example why you never trust a code reader. We'll see you again soon.